Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds OPPO Enco Air3i on your Android device. And you have to start by open settings, then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Now, I have stock Android, so near to the name I have this pencil icon. I need to tap at this icon. On some devices this icon located at the right top, and some devices have a line with the name, not this icon. So I'm going to tap at this line, you can tap at this icon, and you can tap at this line. Right here you can write the best one for you. You can also remove some text, but I want to only add this one. The most important is to click Rename to save this new name. On your phone it may be done or OK or check mark or something else. Tap at that button, and as you can see we change it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!